Easy Tech channel. Hi friends, now you are seeing Easy Tech channel. In this video I am going to show you unboxing video. Friends, this is voltage alert. You can see this is normal tester. This is buzzerized tester buzzer and LED light, emergency LED light also there. You can see emergency alert tester, voltage alert tester. This is normal tester, friends. We can see the difference between these two testers. Now we have going to unbox this voltage tester. You can see I got two AAA batteries, friends. You can see AAA batteries and one emergency alert tester. You can see wireless tester, friends. If it is this need, if I keep like this, if you can see I didn't touch this tester, friends, it was not glowing. You can see if I touch this tester, it was glowing. This tester was not required like this system, friends. You can see when I keep, it was not glowing. When I touch this metal body, it was glowing. This tester not like this systemized tester. You can see I will show you, friends. Here some lock is there. You can see here when you press this will open, and like this there. You can see this is the lid of this, and these are AAA batteries too. Battery compartment, friends, and I am adding the battery. You can see, friends, I added the battery. You can see one emergency light also there. You can see here emergency light. Now I keep this tester in it. You can see, friends, the buzzer will come and LED is glowing. If when I keep this tester, it was not coming, any buzzer is not there. Only LED is coming. And another one is, if I don't touch this metal body, it was not glowing. You can see when I touch it, it glows. It does not require the test system, friends. You can see when I keep this, it will glow. And another one is, friends, you can see this is the wire now, friends. You can see I kept this wire like this. You can see, friends, I kept this wire on this socket, and if I will test this like this. You can see it is working, friends. When I touch this wire also, it was coming a signal. If I touch with this, it was not glowing any light. This was another feature in this tester. You can see when I touch this also, it was not glowing any light. This is very useful for this method, friends, because any wire cuts are there, you can easily find out. You can see here ended the wire now, friends. You can see here ended the wire. If another cut is there in between these wire, any cuts are there, it was not glowing now, friends. Like this you can check. This was not only for like this, friends. If you keep in the socket, it will glow the light. If use this tester like this also, you can you can get the signal, friends. This test also better only, friends, but this is safe and like easy, friends, to check the wires like this. You can check the wires. This is very difficult, friends, to check the wires not working now, friends. You can see when I touch this wire also not working, this tester. If I touch this tester is working. So when test is working, no friends. So you can this test is very useful for electricians, friends, because any wire cuts are there, they can identify easily. See, like that. This test only useful for like this socket keeping. Okay, these are also better, friends, but wire you can check the wire easily, friends. That's why you can buy this also. This is only 300 rupees, friends. I will give the link in description. You can buy there this tester. And another, friends, you have to use only for this tester only for 1000 volt AC current, 1000 volt for this box. 1000 volt only, friends. This will indicate. If you keep high, this will not work, friends. So please notice the point. And this was the casing they had given to me. This was the paper. And here back you can see diagrams are there for this tester. And these batteries are AAA batteries, friends. These batteries, 2 batteries you need for this. You can change the battery also, friends. If these batteries are not working, you can change the battery. And main feature is emergency light, friends. You can see by the button. When we click this, the light will glow. Okay, friends, this is also best, friends. You can see this is working also. This will not work to check the wire. So please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like this video. And bye, friends.
That little mouse, 'cause I'm an albatross.